Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see how to enter indirect expenses using the cash payments feature. So if you want to join this full course or get the QuickBooks services, you can contact on this number. Alright, let's get started. Our next entry is paint and renovation expenses for shop taken on rent. Now this is an expense account and it is considered as paid by cash, although it's not mentioned here that how is the payment made, but for now we will consider that it is based on cash, because if it was on credit then the vendor name must have been mentioned. So we will consider it as cash payment. Now again we have two choices. Now for now we will use accountant, make journal entries, paint and renovation. For that you can either create exact same name account, you can make a maintenance account. For that I'll create repair and maintenance account as a general account so that we can include further expense, this type of expenses in this account. So tab, setup, expense, continue, save and close, and the transaction date is 6th January 2018. Okay, the amount is 5,000 rupees, 5,000, and memo is this description. We will paste it here, tab, and then cash will be credit. 5,000 is cash credit and 5,000 is debit in repair and maintenance. Save and close. We don't need to check its journal entry because it's already a journal entry, right? So this is how you can enter expenses payment that is made by cash. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.